Around in my mansion, my huge big mansion. Where the sun is above water. I'm going to play some pool because I always win. Shazam! Another win for the Peng-win. Get it, Peng-win. Well, I'm almost done. Just gotta... Yes! Oh, there's a crab. Hello, Mr. Crab. I am the king. Thank you. Whew. This place is kind of let down. There's lots of crabs. Ooh, if I fell in that would not be good. I think those are heavy currents, though. Maybe I should play some piano for my guests. Dum diddy dum diddy dum dum dum. Dee-do 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 doo doo dee-do doo 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 dee-do doo doo dee-do doo. Dee-do dee-do doo doo dee-do. What shall I do now? I shall sit in my comfy throne. Ugh. Perfect. Oil spilling. Just what I need. What shall I do? Oh, I know. I'll go to the underwater shop. Hopefully they'll have some stuff there. Yes, I like protein, but I am the king. Oh, thank you, thank you. I'll be back for more. Maybe I'll go into this shop. Ooh, some sales. I think I have lots of stuff. Maybe make a... Ooh, some flowers for my love a chair. Sconce. I have 2 machines. Zios. I hope he sinks to death. He was nothing but bad luck to us. And a trident. To show that I should be one of the alphas. Because I shall. I will be. I know I will. Yes. All of it. This is all so beautiful. I will get my revenge on Poseidon and Venus. I will. But first I need to make my den look like a true king's den. Beautiful. Now humans will fear me.